transforming raw minerals into the products families trust every day. The flow rate looks steady on truck A. Confirm. Almost empty. Tell them to lower the bed slowly. Check the flow rate on line 3.
Yeah.
Looks steady, no blockages here.
The extracted talc now leaves the storage silos. Automated conveyors transfer it to the crushing department.
This is the secondary crushing process. Here, the powerful crusher reduces the mineral into... Particle distribution is stable across all batches.
Confirmed. Purity levels are optimal. We are clear for release.
Looks like the run is complete. All parameters are nominal. Confirmed. Shutting down the pneumatic feed now. Purity levels are dropping slightly here. See the spike? Yeah, I see it. Adjusting the filtration rate. Phase 4, Purification and Cleaning. The pharmaceutical-grade talc is transferred from the silos via enclosed pipelines to the advanced sterilization department. The pressure reading is spiking slightly here. Yeah.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now. The microbial count is well within tolerance. See the pass indicator here.
Yes, I see it. Sterilization parameters are confirmed. We can approve the batch.
Here in the mixing department, the automated process ensures purity as the ingredients move seamlessly into the blenders, initiating phase 6 of production.
We are reaching the target volume now.
Acknowledged. The blend looks uniform.
We have a slight fluctuation in the mixing speed right here.
Noted. Rerouting the solvent ratio now, that should correct the consistency.
In phase 6, the automated systems begin mixing and blending, precisely adding skin-safe minerals into the massive ribbon blender. The high-capacity ribbon blender slowly rotates, ensuring a perfectly uniform mixture of sterilized talc and cosmetic ingredients.
See the peak here. It confirms the ultra-fine consistency.
Yes, the batch meets specifications.
The data visualization shows consistent readings across all samples.
Yes, the analyzers are performing within tolerance. The lead assay confirms 99.8% purity.
Run the stability tests, and we should be good to go. Everything is within the acceptance criteria. We can finalize the report.
Confirmed. Generating the batch release documentation now.
All parameters checked out. Ready to finalize. Confirmed. Batch approved for packaging.
The fully automated production line runs continuously, showcasing the incredible speed and precision of modern manufacturing.
Everything looks good on line 3.
Flawless execution. Let's keep monitoring the flow rate.
The capping speed dropped slightly at 1400 hours.
I see the fluctuation. Seal quality remains optimal, though.
Everything seems accurate on this run. The AI is confirming the packaging details. Good, let's keep the pace steady and prepare for the next batch. The carton count spiked here, but the efficiency dipped slightly. We need to adjust the speed on line 3. Phase 13, our robotic palletizing system achieves maximum precision, stacking master cases with unparalleled efficiency.
Matches the manifest.
Verified and logged. Ready for dispatch. Ready for dispatch.
They're moving the next batch to the shipping zone. Confirmed on the manifest, the schedule is holding steady.
Ensure all Phase 15 manifests are signed. Confirmed. Bay 3 is clear.